Where? What? Sammy? Ah! Oh!
I'm scared no less than you, Rodger. It's over! Slime monsters are invading the earth!
Are they really so terrifying?
See for yourself! Ah!
Ew, it's chilling, but first of all, they're not real.
We have to do something! We wouldn't know if some of them were hiding behind the corner! Ah!
Don't be afraid, Sammy. We'll run away from them.
On foot? You're an optimist, Rodger!
Okay, let's make a van that can survive earthquakes, zombies, and even slime monsters.
Okay, Rodger. Let's do it!
Hi guys! Today Sammy and I are going to make a van to survive a monster apocalypse.
Get out of the way, zombies! That was fast!
You can use any Lego van with remote control for this craft. We'll just need the lower part anyway.
And we'll transform this toy car into the coolest post-apocalyptic van!
This doesn't look great on paper, but the result will amaze you, I promise.
I should stay alert. Those slime monsters don't sleep at all.
Sam is on the watch today, so I guess I'm doing my best with this van on my own. We'll construct a model of the future vehicle using paper templates and cardboard pieces.
I can help too, Rodger. Just take this and hurry up.
Sammy, believe me, I know that the sooner we make this van, the better you'll feel, so I'll definitely hurry up. And if the monster invasion had already begun, we'd have heard about that on the news.
Okay, I get it. I pulled myself together and I'm ready for crafting. Here you go.
Yay, I'm rooting for you! And now we'll make the front part of the hull. There we go. Phew, that was quite a challenge. Sam, what have you been doing there?
I had this sudden inspiration, so I decided to help you.
Really? Can I see?
Well, what do you say, Raj?
Excellent work! Now we can move to the next part. We need to create a smooth surface on this base.
That means you'll need lots of long paper strips to glue them to the van.
Thanks, Sam.
No problem.
We'll start from the front side and move back strip by strip. We're going to carefully cut them to create smooth creases. This way.
Rodger, we must finish it before dawn. Monsters are more active in the dark.
Got it. I'll do it as fast as I can. Set the time.
Holy cannoli. Now I believe humanity has a chance to survive.
Thanks for the high appreciation of my skills. Humans and good slimes 1, zombies 0. This mosquito net will be the base for the putty.
It's used to smooth the surface and fill in the holes and other defects.
I like working with wood, so putty is always in handy.
It looks like peanut butter. Can I try it, Raj?
No way, Sammy, it's not edible. Okay, let's start. Hop. We're gonna spread this putty on the surface using a spatula. There you go. Only smooth touches, guys.
Rodger, are we really gonna cover the whole van this way?
Yeah, sure. Do you have any troubles with that?
It'll take so long.
But we can't use magic all the time, Sam.
Then I'll go shoot a video for my vlog. Oopsie, I forgot my... Hey, you already finished?
Sue taught me some tricks. Guys, in reality, it takes more time.
Yeah, thanks to video editing and my acting skills for that.
Sammy, are you gonna contact the aliens or something in that hat?
Why not? We need everyone to fight against slime monsters!
Or to run away together. Guys, we used foil to make a new layer for the model. And now we're covering it with tape.
This will be a face polymer clay!
Sam, why didn't you use a rolling pin instead?
I just like trying different ways. Always stay creative, you know.
Give me that, Sam. Let's roll small pieces of the clay, 1 millimeter thick each. Then we'll cut it in rectangular strips. That's easy.
Take that, zombie. Looks like we have a cooking craft today.
It also seems like slime monsters have no chances.
What? Are they here? Where? Where? Huh?
It was just my prediction for the future. Sammy, you need some distraction. Check out how I transfer the outlines of the van onto the clay base.
Yeah, it's kind of mesmerizing. Wow, it came out so cool! Now let's bake it in the oven at 130 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Don't go anywhere, guys!
And here is the final result. This is a real hull that we'll upgrade, paint and decorate.
We need a safe van that can drive through hordes of slime monsters! And not only them, but also vampires, zombies, evil trolls, and ogres, and
And while Sam is trying to recollect all the monsters in the world, we'll glue a new layer of mosquito net on the inner part of our model. There we go. Perfect.
Did I miss it all? Shiver me cheddars, I can't be called a crafter anymore.
Don't worry, Sam. The most exciting part is going to be later. You're going to be doing a test drive.
Wow. Did you hear that, my little monster? Oh, Rodger, come on, hurry up! I really want to try driving this van.
There you go, Sammy. By the way, some Lego pieces will come in handy right now. Let's make headlamps using them. And check out this door opening mechanism. Hop, hop. And here's another fun detail on the very top.
You're an engineering geek, Rodger.
You bet.
Check out the carcass stands that I made.
That's awesome, Sammy. Perfect fit.
This van will certainly pass through all the bumps and pits on the road.
But it's still not safe if monsters overtake us. Just look at these open windows and a doorway.
Then we'd better lock them up. No slimy tentacles will reach us there. Rodger, this van is mind-blowing.
I know. Just a few more details like this. And this one. Oh! Our van even has its own armor. Bam! Zombies will suffer today. There's no way they can escape.
We should use all ideas, even the crazy ones.
A voodoo doll? Really, Sam? Looks cool though.
And a white teddy bear. Don't ask me why, I'm just going with the flow.
Let's place him here then. Now we use the primer to prepare the van for painting.
Don't forget to protect your faces and hands. Safety comes first.
This is the van covered with prime paint. Like they say, post-apocalyptic world is doomed.
Rodger, I brought you the paint.
Oh, great choice. That's exactly what we need. Thanks, Sam. Wow, this color looks awesome on the van. Do you agree, guys? And give us a thumbs up. Bam! Now the post-apocalyptic future doesn't look boring, huh?
And we'll imitate metallic color with this silver paint. cannoli, we did it! Just some final touches and it'll look perfect!
Guys, by so-called final touches, Sam means paintings that will decorate our van. Woohoo, check it out! These paintings give tribute to our channel. Doesn't it look awesome? Now let's add some cool signs. There you go!
Great, Rodger. Do we have to make something else?
Yeah, let's make it look shabby.
Wow, now this van really looks like it had escaped the arms of monsters!
Whoa, that was a tough ride, Sammy.
Yep. You know, I believe monsters won't try to break in here after they've seen this. Thank you guys for joining us today. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.